is my recipe back. Let's bake and put kusbara. I love kusbara. Really. I love kusbara. Yay! Finish! I want to wrap. Later, I will teach you or how to wrap sambusa. Sambusa. Okay guys, can you see what? So colorful, nice, yummy, yummy. It's yummy.